Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
For betterment of football, whatever is required, we will put our foot down and do it.
It's our great endeavor over the next few years to make our brand grow in this region and also to make the Goan football grow much better.
Compared to the earlier deal, it is almost 4x, 4 times bigger. Only in terms of, I'm talking about only in terms of footballs. Then there is kit for the referees, which was never done before. There is kit for all the state teams, which includes the women's team, the under 16 sub junior, junior, any state team that goes. There are total of right now 6 state teams which go. But in future also, if AFF starts a new competition in a different age category, they will sponsor those kits as well.